Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix lag in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So firstly, let's go to settings from your computer. After go to settings, you will find here apps, this one, click on apps, then click on startup. After clicking on startup, here all of this application which start when you start your PC. So it is starting automatically. So if you don't need this, then you can just turn this off. This one, turn this off. Skype, turn this off. Also turn this off. Okay, after that you can cross this and go to the next step. Go to the search bar and write here sysdm.cpl. Now hit enter. Now choose advanced from here. Now go to settings. Now make sure you are choosing this one, adjust for best performance. Now click on apply, then click on OK. You can click on OK this one too. Then go to the next step. The next step is right here, edit power plan. Then click on open. Then choose this one, change advanced power settings, which is in blue option. Click on this. Then you'll find this option. You have to choose the ultimate performance or the high performance. That's up to you. I'm choosing the ultimate performance. Make sure you are choosing high performance or ultimate performance. Then go to the next step. The next step is going here and write storage. Click on storage settings. Then on very top, the first option, storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of this if you don't need. Make sure you turn this on. If you find this turn this off, you have to turn this on. Now go to the last step. The last step is going here, the search bar, and write privacy settings. Hit enter. You have to just turn off these things, all of these things. If this turn this on, if you find this turn this on, you have to turn this off. Okay, one by one. All of this. Then go to the speech option. If you don't need to this speech, then turn this off. Then this one, improve inking typing, tailored experience. If you don't need this, you can turn this off. Then activate history, location. If you don't need the location, then turn this off. Camera, if you don't need the camera, then turn this off. Okay, so microphone, then voice activation. If you don't need the voice activation, then you can turn this off too. Contacts, allow apps to access your contacts. Okay, phone calls, which should be turned off. Call history, turn off. Email should be turned on or off. That's up to you. If you have any important mail, then you can turn this on. But if you do use this computer and you don't have any important mail upcoming, then you can turn this off. Okay, then go to messaging option, which is turn off. Background applications, here's the background applications. You can turn this off. Cortana off. Feedback hub, films and TV, get help. You can turn this off if you want. All right, after turning this off, you have to restart your computer. After restart your computer, come back and check that your laggy or any slow issues will be improved. uh, so if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.